how to stop feeling insecure, the truth you need to hear to realize you are already enough. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered, why am I not good enough? Why do I feel so small, so unsure, so lost, even when I try so hard to be better? You're not alone. So many of us walk through life feeling like we don't measure up, not to others and not even to ourselves. But what if I told you the problem isn't you? The problem is the lies you've believed. And today we're going to break them one by one. So if you're tired of feeling insecure, if you're done hiding your light, and if you're finally ready to realize that you are always enough, then this message is for you. Let's begin. Let me tell you something that you probably don't hear enough. You are enough, exactly as you are. Not when you get a new body, not when you make more money, not when someone else finally approves of you. Right now, in this moment, you are already enough. But I know you don't feel that way, do you? You look in the mirror and criticize. You compare yourself with everyone else. You second guess every move you make. You shrink yourself just to fit in. You wear masks so people won't see your insecurities. You're not alone. Every day, millions of people walk through life feeling like they're never quite good enough, not smart enough, not pretty enough, not interesting enough, not confident enough. And this feeling, it quietly eats away at your potential. It makes you play small. It makes you settle. It makes you believe lies about yourself, lies you never deserved to carry. But here's the truth no one taught you in school. Insecurity is not a reflection of your worth. It's a symptom of what you've been through. Somewhere along the way, someone made you feel like you had to earn your value. Someone rejected you. Someone ignored your voice. Someone broke your trust. Someone compared you, judged you, maybe even shamed you. And you believed them. You started seeing yourself through their broken lens. And now, even when life gets better, you still question your worth. But it's time to break that pattern. It's time to take your power back. It's time to unlearn the lie that says you're not enough. Because the truth is, you were always enough. Even when you were hurting, even when you were lost, even when you didn't have it all together, enough doesn't mean perfect. It doesn't mean flawless. It doesn't mean you have everything figured out. Enough means whole. Enough means worthy. Enough means complete, even with your flaws. Stop measuring yourself by the highlights of other people's lives. Stop tying your self-worth to how many people like your post, call your name, or compliment your appearance. Because you'll never find real security from the outside. The world is loud, noisy, and full of opinions, and most of them are broken. Your peace must come from within. Your security must come from your soul. Your worth must come from your truth. So how do you stop feeling insecure? First, you stop apologizing for who you are. Stop saying sorry for being quiet, loud, sensitive, ambitious, slow, fast, different, emotional, introverted, bold, whatever you are. You are not a mistake. Second, start showing up for yourself. Stop waiting for validation. Stop needing permission. Stop doubting your instincts. You know who you are. Deep down, you do. But you've buried that voice under fear and doubt. Bring it back. Start looking in the mirror and speaking life, not poison. Say what you wish someone had told you when you were younger. Say, I'm proud of you. Say you're doing your best. Say you've come so far and I see you. This isn't fake positivity. This is rewiring your brain. This is truth therapy. Third, start keeping promises to yourself. Every time you commit to something and follow through, even something small, you build self-respect. And the more you respect yourself, the less space insecurity will take up in your life. And finally, stop comparing your journey. You are running a race no one else was designed to run. Your timing is your timing. Your path is your path. You don't have to rush. You don't have to compete. You just have to be honest with yourself and consistent with your growth. You are allowed to feel uncertain sometimes, but don't let that uncertainty become your identity. You are not your fear. You are not your past. You are not your failures. You are not the one who can't. You are not the one who's less than. You are enough. You are light. You are capable. You are loved and you are rising. And anyone who made you feel otherwise was never meant to define you. So from this day forward, walk like you belong, speak like you matter, love yourself like your soul has been waiting for this moment, because it has. You don't need to prove anything. You don't need to perform. You don't need to earn the right to be secure. You just need to come home to yourself. That's where your peace lives. That's where your power begins. And that's where your freedom starts. You are enough. Say it out loud, right now. I am enough. I always was. I always will be. And nothing, no voice, no past, no person can take that away from you ever again. Now you know the truth that no one else may have told you, but deep down, you always needed to hear. You are not broken. You are not too much. You are not behind. You are enough, just as you are. And the world is not waiting for a more perfect version of you. The world is waiting for the real you to rise. So say it with me one more time. I am enough. I always was. I always will be. And if this message touched your heart, don't let it stay just in your mind. Live it, share it, and never forget it. Because the moment you start believing in yourself is the moment the world begins to change around you. You are enough, and from today you walk like it.